ChatGPT to make money. Hi friends, I'm Elizabeth Skordinsky. I am a Pinterest marketing expert. How do you make money with ChatGPT and Pinterest marketing on today's episode? Let's go ahead and dive in. I personally now have experience and can say I made money with ChatGPT with Pinterest marketing strategies. If you need help with your Pinterest marketing strategies, down below on the bottom right hand side, you can see if you're eligible for a call. We do have a very long wait list for Pinterest marketing strategy calls, but now combining ChatGPT into making you money. How do you make money using ChatGPT? First thing is I went in a couple of different strategies. One, if you're a content creator, making money with ChatGPT has never been easier. It's never been easier because, for example, I went in and I typed, okay, create 5 Pinterest video idea pins for me. And here is ChatGPT is going down and literally writing all of them for me. So once I have these Pinterest video idea pins from ChatGPT, I could do them one of 3 ways. One, I could tag in my Pinterest video idea pin an affiliate link like Amazon affiliate link, Magic Links, or some other affiliate program you're in. It's telling me some of the best ones. And you can also say included in the instructions for ChatGPT, give me SEO keywords in there, ones that are popping, or however you want to say it, and ones that are like high demand. You can put that in ChatGPT. 2, it's giving me 5 different options in there. You could do a sponsored post. Literally, that's what I did this week, which we're going to talk about more with Pinterest marketing blogs, but even with Pinterest marketing video idea pins, you can have those sponsored and make money, and make really good money at that, by the way, through using ChatGPT, because it's telling you video idea pins. And then 3, if you have your own coaching or your own services, you can use those for blog ideas. You can use those for video idea pins. It's telling you the content on Pinterest that you can do that's really, really good. Here's another example. Let me swipe over to the next slide on my phone. It's I said in here with ChatGPT, create compelling email subject line to get someone to open it. So when we have someone go through our Pinterest marketing one, I'm finding that in my email sequence, there's a little stumbling block in that sequence that my team and I are actively trying to fix. ChatGPT gave me some better, and I thought the problem was, honestly, I'm like, everything else is good. It's the email subject line that stinks. ChatGPT, it came up with ones. ChatGPT, urgent, your attention needed on the topic. ChatGPT said, name, benefit, or offer just for you. Name, emotional trigger, topic. So it's telling you some of these options that you can do in there, but how you actually make money with that with Pinterest then is, and what I did literally this week is my example, is I had a sponsored Pinterest blog post for my other brand. And with that, it was sponsored, so I was paid for it. I asked ChatGPT to write the blog post. I said, write me a 700 word, literally typed it in, write me a 700 word one, and it literally typed it in there for me, the whole thing, sponsored blog post. Now, I would use that like I would use a copywriting service, which I do utilize copywriting services, and then I still edited it, right? Because it's still my words, my thoughts, my inflections for a sponsored post, added in my pictures, my zhuzhing on there, but that blog post took me literally half the time it normally does take for sponsored Pinterest blog posts to create. I have a second one down the pike, literally going to be doing the same thing. That already earned me some coin, which was awesome. The second one that I did is affiliate marketing. I was doing literally a ChatGPT blog post. It's on Gucci nails. Literally, it's gonna buy the Gucci nail polish, the Gucci like nail art design and stuff. Literally, it's writing it for me through affiliate marketing links that I'm going to be using for testing them. And you can see I got 2 different colors of nails on. Literally, I was doing that right before this video. So I am actively like for Pinterest marketing, this is not theory. This is like, I'm literally in the trenches with my other businesses. We own multiple companies and we do consulting for multiple 6, 7, and 8 figure businesses to help earn extra money for folks and have better systems too. How you can utilize this with if you're a team, if you have a team underneath you, you can start training your team as to how to do these with ChatGPT too, asking those questions. Now, right before I went on there, because there's literally, I think it was millions and millions and millions of new users in the very short time ChatGPT has been out, it was like, we can't take any more. It's at capacity. So you may encounter that. So just try it different times a day. What I have been doing is writing in my idea notebook, different ideas to ask ChatGPT. and then keeping the notes of them too with that. That video idea pin, another one I had for Pinterest, was also sponsored. So again, starting to think in terms of sponsorship with Pinterest, you can do great things on Pinterest with sponsored pins. And the cool part about Pinterest marketing that most people don't think of is the evergreen component. That these things that I'm doing, I'm intentionally by design making evergreen content. So 3 years from now, your girl's gonna still be making money off of it. Pinterest that I did 4 years ago still makes me money. So as a mom, I can be on the soccer field with my sweet little 7-year-old boy, fully invested watching him play, being present as a mom with my kid, and making money on the side while it's coming in, air quote, passively, although there's no such thing as passive income. So let me know your questions down below. We're going to be doing Pinterest marketing strategy audits. And if you have other ChatGPT scenarios where you're like, I own this kind of business, how can I make extra money with it? Put it down in the comments below. I would love to give you some free consulting on that. Do a YouTube video here about how you can utilize ChatGPT for your specific business to make money. We talked about affiliate marketing as a content creator or sponsored posts, but what if you have your own coaching business, your own service business? My encouragement for you on Pinterest is this. This is the secret. This is the secret sauce right here. Make 3 to 5 blog posts or 3 to 5 YouTube videos, then make static pins for them. So on Pinterest, there's static pins like photos, like the pins, the vertical ones, and then make video idea pins. For Pinterest static pins, these do not look like Instagram recopied. If you're doing that, one of my clients was doing that, I'm like, that's why no one's looking at your Pinterest pins. You gotta blend in with the Pinterest landscape. Like if you're at a zoo, the monkeys hang out with the monkeys, the elephants hang out with the elephants, the lions hang out with the lions. Make sure you're adapting to the platform. If you're using some infographics on Instagram, that may not be applicable over on Pinterest. So look at Pinterest, the static pins, and Canva has that, by the way, too. And if you don't have a Canva account or a Canva Pro account, I'll put that in the description link below for you too, an affiliate link to get. That is the key, because then you can repurpose this content too, which makes it go much faster. Those static pins, going back to if you own your own business, like service, or you sell a product, do static pins and then make literally 15 static pins. Use Tailwind. If you don't know what Tailwind is, I will also link that on the bottom right. It's a paid system that helps release your Pinterest pins for you. So you could be on your soccer field with your kid like I am and still have pins going out. And Pinterest has approved Tailwind, so Pinterest is giving the blessing for Tailwind. You can do static pins and then the video idea pins. Video idea pins right now are popping more, where they're getting more eyeballs and more impressions, but they do need to be keyword oriented, which is why I go back to ChatGPT asking about those keywords. Now I have several ninja resources, actually 4 ways that I do. ChatGPT is now my 4th way to do keyword research, but I have 3 others. If you would like to know what those are in the next part 2 video, put that down in the comments below too. But making money on ChatGPT has never been easier. ChatGPT making money, sponsored post, affiliate posts, or on Pinterest, or you can be selling your own product or your own services using blog posts that ChatGPT writes, or gives you the idea of what to film for the video idea pin. So there's lots of great stuff that ChatGPT is doing. Obviously though, the caveat that too is be as if it was a copywriting service. You still need to edit it. You still need to make it your own words. You still need to zhuzh it to make it your own, would be my encouragement. So check out down below also my top Pinterest checklist for you too. That's down in the description link below, and answer those questions too for part 2 of, do you have further questions? Would love to answer those in the next YouTube video. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others. I'm Elizabeth Skwardinsky, your Pinterest marketing expert, and I'll see you next time.